What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy technoboy, and that's the doubled in car stereo that you have seen before. And these two are the big size bookshelf speakers. And today I'm gonna connect these two speakers with this amplifier right there. I'm gonna check the audio of it. Well, these two are very high quality speakers, as you know, from Taga Harmony, and they have like 120 watt of power per channel and very good quality drivers. So the so I'm gonna test them with this amplifier and I'm gonna check the sound how it is. Well, this thing is connected to a 5 amp power supply, and in a previous video I showed you how to connect car stereo at home. The simple connections, you need at least 5 amp of power supply of 12 volt. If you get more like 10 amps, 20 amps, that would be much better. So let me show the connection once again. Here you can see that's the power connector right there, and this red, orange and yellow wire, they are all for positive. One for ACC, that's like when you turn on the key at the car, then this thing like switch on the amp, and that's yellow for constant power supply, comes from the car battery, and the red one is the positive antenna connection. So you need to tie them up together, all three of this, and connect to the positive side of the 12 volt power supply, and the black one obviously for the ground goes to the negative power supply of your power adapter or whatever you have. So I'm gonna connect the speakers and I'm gonna check the sound. So it's all connected now. Let me turn this on. So it's connected to my mobile phone, and I'm gonna play some songs and I'm gonna check the sound, the bass and the highs of this amplifier through the speakers. So as you heard the sound, the bass is like very good. As I told you, these are the very high quality speakers. So they are not so big in size, but they have huge bass and balanced highs. So the overall sound is very good, but it could be better if I increase the amperage of the power supply to this amplifier. These are like, as I told you, 5 amp power supply. If I give it a 10 amp or more, then the sound would be much better than this. But still the sound is very good, good bass and highs. So let's hear some more.